Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be doing an unboxing and a try on of the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus for January of 2019. Is it not so crazy to be saying that? I cannot believe that we are already in 2019. But anyways, I do want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. I really feel like you guys have been enjoying the try-on type unboxings, and I have been loving it as well. Just getting to like play with products as soon as I open them. But anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and mail hauls every single Monday. Also make sure to hit the bell notification so that way you're notified as soon as a video goes live. I have a lot of exciting videos coming up for you guys. I'm ready to dive into this unboxing and you guys will be able to see all the products being applied to my face. We have some hair care products, some skincare products, just a ton of really awesome products for this video. So let's dive in. Okay, so if you guys haven't heard of Ipsy, they are a monthly subscription that you can sign up for. I will leave a link down below if you guys want to check it out. But basically they send you 5 customized products every single month. And this month for January, they actually sent over 6, which is very exciting. But basically you get this super cute pink bag sent to your house every month. I'm always so excited when it comes in. And for the Ipsy Glam Bag for January, which is the one I'll be unboxing, you get this super cute little bag. So every single month they have a different bag. It's kind of like a different theme. And this one is very cute. I love the pink detailing and just like the stripes and everything. And then it has Ipsy in gold, as you can see. So a super cute bag to start off the year. I'm so excited to show you guys what's in this because I'm loving everything so far. So the first product that we have is from Skin & Co. Roma. And this is their Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. First off, this stuff smells amazing. I actually haven't really used a product like this. So basically this is a delicate exfoliating cream and it would probably be really good for sensitive skin. And they do recommend for you to use it on clean, dry skin. So after I buffed it all in, and then I went in with a damp towel and kind of wiped everything off, it did make my skin feel really good and obviously very exfoliated, which is how I like my skin to feel, nice and smooth. And it's also supposed to be nourishing for all skin types. So even if you have sensitive skin, I really feel like you could use this because it isn't very harsh on the skin. And like I said, it applies just like a lotion and has those little teeny tiny beads, and it also smells amazing. Okay, the next product, which as you can see has already been in use, this is from SLMissGlam, and this is the SB68 eye brush. Now, you actually can use this brush for cream products or for powder products. I actually went in today with the cream. I used my Paint Pot, which is a primer that I use for my eyelids. One thing I really like about the brush is because it is so detailed and it has like a kind of like pointed in, you can go in and kind of sculpt underneath your eyebrows, or you could go in with the powder and put an eyeshadow all over your lid. It's a really versatile brush and you could use it in a couple different ways. I love how sparkly it is. It has these little pink jewels at the top, which I think just gives it like a fun, flirty look. The bristles are really high quality. And I also can see myself using this every day to apply my eyeshadow primer or going in and kind of patting in the lid shade. So I love this brush. I've used SLMissGlam in the past and her products are always very high quality. Okay, next product that we have is the Seraphine Botanicals Crystal and Chrome Pigmented Crystalline Particles. And this product is actually what I have as my lid shade. Okay, so basically this is a very ultra thin powder. You can use it on the face. Obviously you can use it on the eyes, and it has tiny crystalline particles in it, which I think that's what gives it its a really beautiful shine. So what I did was I actually went in with this on a flat brush. I went in with a little bit of primer just to make sure it had something to stick to since it was my first time using it, and it applied it so beautifully. I also went in with a little bit of setting spray to give it a little bit of an extra pop on the eyes, and this product is actually vegan, cruelty free, and it does not contain parabens. I love that, and I just love how it looks on the eyes. I definitely want to check it out and see if they have more colors because I really like the formula. Okay, the next product that I got in my glam bag is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. You guys, there is nothing like coming home with a full face of makeup and being able to just take your makeup off all in like one swipe. This stuff really breaks down your makeup and gets your skin so clean. So here is what this looks like. And I love this little size too, because this would be really good to travel with. And I'm going to scoop out just a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so I scooped a little bit on my hand so you can see it. So it looks almost like, just like a balm, almost like a thick lip balm. And when you massage it in, it's actually going to turn into an oil. And this, in my experience, gets off the makeup better than any makeup wipes or just like makeup cleaner, because it really breaks down your makeup. So I went in, as you can see, and took off this full face of makeup with this product. And not only is it a makeup remover that nourishes and cleanses your skin, but it's also not greasy and it's not drying. So you actually feel kind of moisturized after you take all of your makeup off. So you guys, even if you don't end up getting this in your glam bag, I would definitely recommend trying it out because it's a really amazing product. Okay, so the very next product is from Belle and Argent. And this is their lip gloss. And you guys, this is such a comfortable formula. You can actually wear it all by itself and give your lips like a very hydrated look, or you can go in over top of another lipstick and use it as a top coat. So comfortable, especially for a lip gloss. This stuff is not sticky at all. It's so comfortable. And I feel like sometimes I wear lipsticks that are not comfortable by themselves. So this product would be a really good to use on top of it just to make something even more comfortable, because again, it is very comfortable. And I forgot to tell you guys the shade name. It's actually in the shade Bored Now, and it has a really high shine to it, which I love in a lip gloss. So the very last product that we have is the Alterna Haircare. This is the CAVIAR Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. It is a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in. This stuff felt really good in my hair. You can actually apply it wet or you can apply it when it's dry. It's supposed to deliver 10 different benefits to your hair in just one step, which is crazy. It has a light hold and control for all hair types. And also it's an all-in-one product. It's a leave-in and it's also a styling cream. And I love whenever I have a product that can do two different things all in one. So really like this. And I'm also going to be using it with my hair dry, since you can use it both ways. Okay, and that is what I got in my Glam Bag. I also want to show you guys my Glam Bag Plus. So the Glam Bag Plus is a little bit different. I believe it's $25 a month, and you do get 5 full-size products. This month they sent along 6 full-size products. So it's going to come in a box like this. So the very first product that we had came from Briogeo, and this is their leave-in conditioning spray. I've actually used this in the past and I really love it. The way that I always use it is by putting it on my hair when it's damp. I do concentrate it throughout the middle of my hair as well as the ends, because that's what needs the most moisture and the leave-in conditioning. So yeah, again, that is from Briogeo. The next product is from Violet Voss, and this is their Mini HG eyeshadow palette. And I love all the warm tones in this. I actually haven't used Violet Voss eyeshadows before, not that I can recall, but they went on very smooth. They blended really easy, and I love the color payoff. This eyeshadow palette is right up my alley because it has so many great shades. And yeah, here's what it looks like. Since I didn't get to show you guys the shimmer shades, I did want to swatch a couple of those really quick just so you could see what they look like. And they are fabulous. I really, again, feel like this eyeshadow palette was right up my alley for the shades that I typically like using. And here's what those look like. But I love the way the eye look turned out, and so I used all Violet Voss eyeshadows and then the lid shade from the Glam Bag. Okay, next product we have is the Ofra Cosmetics Rodeo Drive Highlighter. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is such a blinding highlight. I feel like Ofra is very known for their highlights, and this one definitely packs a punch. As you can see, it is super duper glowy, and with just one stroke of your brush, you have total color payoff with your highlight, and it lasts a really long time. So again, that is a Rodeo Drive. The next product we have is a Matte Crush Lipstick Pencil, and here it is right here. One thing I really like about this is they included a lip sharpener, which is always really nice for these types of lip products. So this applied a really creamy, and I love the fact that it's a pencil because you can go in and get around the edges of your lips. But yeah, I really enjoyed the color of this, the creaminess, the opaqueness, just everything about it I loved. Okay, getting down to the last 2 products. So this is the Hey Honey Good Morning Honey Silk Facial Serum. It says all day nourishing for flawless skin. One thing that I thought was really cool about this is not only is it a serum, but it's also use for priming your makeup. So I actually only use this as my primer for today. It smells really good, and it's a really lightweight serum. I hate having something that's underneath my makeup that feels really heavy, so I loved how lightweight this is, and I'm going to continue using this. I'll update you guys probably like in my favorites, but I feel like this is going to make it in there. Okay, last but not least, and this was something that I forgot to try on, so I'm like, you know what? I'll save it for the end of the video. So this is a sugar lip scrub. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this one, so I'm going to leave it down below in the description bar. But it says massage onto lips to exfoliate dryness and then wipe away with a tissue. So we're going to try this right now to end off this video. Wiped off that. Okay, so let's open it. It has a nice little lid on it. Fabulous. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand. So it does have like the exfoliating beads that I can see in the sugar scrub. Oh, this is really nice. Just get some exfoliating going on before bedtime. Okay, what I'll say about this is it's very, very moisturizing. I don't like a lip scrub that dries out your lips because then they just feel so chapped. But this one almost feels like it has like an oil in it. So not only is it exfoliating, but it's hydrating the lips, and it tastes good, even though I probably shouldn't be tasting it. So yeah, really like that so far. Okay, you guys, and that's gonna complete this month's Glam Bag unboxing. Again, a big thank you to Ipsy for partnering with me on this video. I feel like every month it just keeps getting better and better with the products that I have received, and I really enjoyed doing today's video and trying out all these products. So I'll leave a link down below to all of the items that we talked about. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, and I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!